Welcome to Jen Bell Yoga. I'm Jen. In this video, we're going to move through some simple somatic twists. They're an excellent way to increase your mobility, range of motion, and decrease pain. For more information on how that works, check out the link to my blog post in the caption below. To start, we want to come into deer pose. I'm going to have my right leg in front, just as it is, and take my left leg out to the side, knees bent. Right arm goes behind me and my left arm comes to my shoulder. I'm going to twist to the right as far as I can comfortably go and think about squeezing my left glute. On an exhale, I'm going to twist to the left, kind of round just a little bit. Inhale, twisting back over to the right, squeezing that left glute. Exhale, twist to the left. Move through 3 more. Inhaling to the right. Exhale to the left. Inhaling to the right, squeeze the glute. Exhale to the left, round the back. Last one, twist to the right, squeeze the glute. And from here, we'll inhale, reach your left elbow up as the gaze goes up. Exhale, round and fold forward. Inhale, lifting that elbow up. Exhale, lowering it down, rounding the back. Inhale, lifting. Exhale, lowering. One more, inhale, lifting. Exhale, lowering. Come back to neutral. We'll do 2 more twists just to shake it out. Twisting to the left. Inhaling to the right, squeeze that left glute. Twist to the left. And inhale to the right. Now we're going to switch sides. To switch sides, my left leg comes in front of me with the knee bent. Right leg goes beside me, also with the knee bent. Left arm behind the back. Right arm comes to the left shoulder and twist to look out over the left. Here I'm squeezing my right glute. Exhale, I'm going to twist to the right, rounding a little bit. Inhaling to the left, squeeze that right glute. Exhale, twist. Inhale to the left. Exhale, twist to the right. Inhale to the left. Exhale, twist to the right. One more, inhaling left. Exhale, twisting to the right. Coming back to the left, squeezing that right glute. Inhale, reach the right elbow up as the gaze goes up. Exhale, round and draw the elbow down. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, lower. One more, inhaling up. Exhaling, lower. Come back to neutral and 2 more twists. Twisting over to the right. Inhaling back to the left, squeezing that right glute. Exhaling to the right, kind of rounding and relaxing. Last one, twisting to the left, squeeze the right glute. Come back to center. Thank you for moving through this short practice with me. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more content just like this.